In today's video, I will showcase how my Traxxas Trx4 survives on 6S with the Hobbywing axe system, as well as a few other upgrades like these RC 4-wheel drive massive mud tires. Let's get into it. Axe system, RC 4-wheel drive tires on 4S. So far, no problem. We might not have.
I was already stuck.
My bad, didn't mean to mess up your momentum, buddy. No! Let me see if I can push you out somehow. Here we go. Here we go. Gotta call the Ford in for once. Gotta call the Ford in. That was no problem. That might be a problem. Still pulling wheelies after the water. Should we switch to 6S? Should we switch to 6S already? Yeah, you think so? Well, let's do a mud evaluation of what it looks like so far. It's pretty muddy, pretty muddy. I mean, not too bad, but muddy. Oh yeah, everything a little wet there, bud. A little muddy there, bud. Oh, let's throw the 6S in here. All right, now we're gonna be using a 2200 milliamp 6S from China Hobbies. Let's go see how this fits. We're a little bendy there, but my modification is working so far with this 6S. So let's go try this out now. All right, guys, I don't really know what to expect on 6S, but here we go. 6S first test together. Haven't even moved it. Oh my God, that was barely. Already flipped over. Let's do the slow crawl test now. Getting a weird noise now. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that.
It doesn't want to go that slow.
Oh. So yeah, I guess you do fall off on some slowness. At 6S. But we got crazy power. And I do have this slipper eliminator in there. I should have mentioned that. Oh, dude. That sounds nasty. Oh! Yeah, it pizza cutter the tires. Oh my God. Well, let's go see how long this thing lasts in the water on 6S. Oh, I just stepped in the mud. Just a little bit of water. A little bit of water never hurt nobody. Oh, I'm moving a stick. He's throwing mud. We're moving sticks with us. Past a beaver log. He's having a fight through it over here. But we made it. You were making it. It seems a lot more muddy over here. Oh! This is stupid. Oh! Keep going, you got it. No! I might be able to push you out, hold on. Call the Ford wrecking crew again. 6S Ford to the rescue. Are you going forward or reverse?
Forward. I'm stuck.
Let's hit this line right here. Oh, you dug that big hole right there. Come on, baby. Don't give up. Don't give up. We fighting out here today. Back to some clean water. You got it. You got it. Slowly fighting. You got it, buddy. Come on. Come on. I'd say so far this axe system is working great, man. Dude, you're just dragging a whole forest with you. Hit the Austin hole. Muscle your way through it, 6S. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that drip. Look at that drip, drip. Look at that drip, drip. Oh! That was a fun one.
Yep, that's how you do it right there.
That's a little fun one there, bud. Good job. I'm interested to see how you hit this Austin hole over here. There's the Austin hole. Dude, that whole druggie is about to be gone. Come on, you got it.
Listen to the water flow. I gotta whisk you.
I'm trying to get out of your way. You scared me. Oh, you good? I kind of got that on camera. Yeah, just make it harder for me, Austin. He's messing with nature, guys. That's crazy. You just cost some beaver like 8 years. Here we go. Three-wheel drive wonder. Restart. Look, he's literally clearing the path. For the lady. Where's that reference from?
I don't remember.
Pacific Rim, bro. Only one of the best movies ever.
Who?
The first one. Pacific Rim.
Oh, yeah. I got all wet hands.
That's what jeans are made for. These are my brand new jeans and I already got them muddy. Here we go. Come on, 6S. Ford to the rescue. Yeah, you got it. Good job. And I can slow for all this stuff. Yeah, you do. It's essentially an island.
Yeah, this stuff's mucky.
Okay, new plan. Let's just hit it from the... Oh, we're deep, dude. We're deep. Oh, I'm gonna grab. Got it. Knew I was gonna grab. Yeah, look at him. All right, here. Oh my God, hold on. This wheel, look at that pack full. Dude, this stuff is deep. I want to get a better angle of this because this is like the mud we've been looking for. I mean, look at my truck. I haven't got to see this up close, but this is that good mud we've been looking for. But my truck just eats it. I say that. Yeah, dude, these... Good mud, boys. Oh my God. The 6S mudding, baby. That's the mud we wanted. Still doing wheelies in the mud. He's gonna cover me, but let's see it.
Let's see if I can.
Don't take me out.
I'm gonna try to come through there.
Okay. Well, all right. Forward to the rescue. Oh no! Don't flip over. I got you. I got you. I got you. Come on, buddy. We got you. All right, let's go down here and wash them off in the sandy water. This has been so fun. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah. I wish I had them RC four-wheel drives like you got.
Yeah, these RC four-wheel drives are pretty crazy, man. Ah! Bro, throwing mud all over me and my phone. But it's funny because the camera never gets dirty. Look how muddy this is. You can barely read the hobbywing sticker. He said there's a filtering water stick over here. Let's go check out this science. So here's the dirty water.
And then it hits that stick and separates the dirty and clean. And then you see them both flowing through here.
That's pretty cool.
And then it gets dirty again.
The environment. This is why we like going outside, boys, and not just going to some man-made place. This is beaver made. See, as you can tell by the green beaver spit that's on that log right there. This one is really deep. Hey, made it through that though. So let's see if mine washes off here, because we're pretty dirty. I just floated right through it. Dude, how am I? No. 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 Oh, I got it. We're good. Well, I finally did get a waterlog. What is that noise?
The gears.
Oh.
There's a lot of dirt in the gears.
Yeah. That is so weird. They're getting water flow.
Get it washed off.
Yeah. I mean, my truck's pretty clean after it went through there. It got all the mud off at least. We got a little jump right here. Let's hit this little jump. Oh my God. We just want to do a backflip. You had it.
Because I don't have
There you go.
I wanted to kick off and do a flip.
Oh, you wanted to do a backflip? Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that just threw water everywhere.
Probably the diffs are
Hey, don't jinx me. Don't jinx me. Diffs are hanging up, but I got other diffs waiting to go if they don't. Now your back's not spinning. Your back's not spinning now.
What?
Bro.
It did the same. It's doing the same thing on the back now. Wow. Okay, well, I guess it's time to...
Pack her up. All right, let me hit a backflip real quick and we can get up out of here.
That might have been what we were hearing.
Yeah.
Bro, and it's on opposite sides. Like, one long one broke and one short one broke.
That's so weird.
It's got, honestly, it's probably got to do with the grease I packed in there.
Yeah.
Not allowing it to engage or something. And my servo's loose.
That's okay. It's a fresh build, guys. Fresh build.
Yep. Literally day one run.
That's what happens when you build a mud truck. You know, people work out the kinks. I didn't expect my 6S to last this long.
But see the problem? See my tires?
Yeah.
How they kind of, it cakes them up.
Mm-hmm. And then, yeah, there's no tread, essentially.
No. And then even with the bunch of wind speed, yeah, it clears them out. But then it's not enough tread to grab.
Correct.
It just especially if this wasn't as loose as it is,
Mm-hmm.
I probably wouldn't have the problems. But this sand is just so loose that I'm not grabbing a big enough chunk to move the car. Whereas yours, you know, you got big lobes and stuff, so you're grabbing a big chunk of sand.
Big lobes. Yeah, the RC 4-wheel drive mudsling is working out, man. Well, let me hit a backflip on 6S and then we can head back to the truck. Let me see if I can blow this truck up real quick. Backflip on 6S. Hey. Let's go. Damn, we're still good. How did this truck just take that? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a 6S run right here. Here's a 6S bog. Oh my God. That's what everybody's been waiting for. I've been taking it easy.
You're out here mud skipping.
All right, hold on, let's do it one more time. Mud skipping. I like that terminology. Mud skipping. Oh my God. Dude, this is insane. It just float. Dude, I could float anywhere. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just floating.
You know, people do that in real life.
Yeah.
They'll take like a 1000cc full wheeler, put nitrous on it and stuff, bore it out to 1300, just hammer on it.
Just mud skip?
Yeah, you'll see them doing this across the top of a mud hole that's easily 5 feet deep.
Dude, well, that's what, I mean, literally, that's what this thing's doing. I want to go over there and hit that deep one with that. All right, guys. So this is that deep hole. We're going to try to mud skip it here. Oh, he sunk. All right, that was test one. All right, here we go. Nah. I'm not happy yet. Oh, I think we're dying. Oh yeah, we're low power mode. Low power mode. But that was fun, man. Woo! I deeply enjoyed 6S. Did you guys enjoy 6S mud bogging, mud skipping? Let me know. How about you, Austin? I know you had a little problem, but
that thing is bad.
Woo, this thing's bad too. You're gonna be just right with some new tires and not Amazon axles.
Yeah.
Look at you, still doing some work on 2-wheel drive, opposite drive. All right, guys, the 6S Z-Run Axe Plus R3, man, is amazing. Sitting on these RC 4-wheel drive mudslingers, I would give this a whole build A+ right now. But
for sure.
Yeah, you think so? But the next time you see this, it's gonna look a little different, have a little more color. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.